He used his tongue to clean blood from a woman's private part.
You are right, sir.
It's equal on a private part. Why again? One day you mistakenly put your mouth into a woman that just finished seeing her period. Auntie Shang, am I lying?
No, sir.
It's true.
Yes, sir.
He used his tongue to clean blood from a woman's private part.
You are right, sir.
Where do you come from? Beba, uno city Shabia.
Sir.
Stop putting mouth in a woman's private party. No. The girl you were trying to fight with her. Why didn't you tell me you are seeing your period? Equally, it's long. I want to make him, by the special grace of God, to be great. Somebody give me 300,000 to give him. Give him 300,000. His family is too poor, so that they will rise. I don't know him. Dolitier. Joy among when I to Barime. Ginu Kineme. Now, did you pregnant a girl?
Yes, sir.
Have I talked to you before?
No, sir.
If you lie to me, you will die tomorrow. If you lie, you die. Have you discussed your case with me?
No, sir.
Have you discussed your case to anybody that know me?
No, sir. This is my first time coming here, sir.
Lord, well, I'm watching from Mama. I'm a book, Marayama. Amuma Bakarakam. Give me 300,000 run. He will remember me tomorrow when he travel. I like to raise men. Power. Amumabo Wambara. Amumabo Wambara. Nakuroto. I like to make people rich. Most of boys that I have helped, so many of them are in abroad today. That is why when they are supporting Zion, don't ask them why. By God's grace, we have raised so many people. This, I don't know you. Immediately I'm moving, the Lord pointed at you. You may be the only person I may even talk to today. Take this 300. Don't sleep with woman again. Don't sleep. Don't put your mouth in a woman's private part. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
You will be great. You will have money. Amen. If you stop, favor will come. Somebody from nowhere will pick interest in you. Amen. And I see you being helped. Your case is settled.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Most importantly, turn on your bell notification so that whenever I drop an amazing video just like this one you're watching, YouTube will notify you. Thank you.
Is settled. Amara womo,